Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Kupilas the Travel channel. Today I'm gonna take you through Solin, which is a beautiful town. Before I start, make sure to like, comment, share this video, subscribe, put this ring bell so you have always notification when I publish a new video, and enjoy! Solin is actually a small town near Split. It is actually an ancient town from Salona, which is the biggest archaeological park in the whole Croatia. And in the 7th century, Avars and Croats came to this area and destroyed the Salona, so you only have some remains there. And all the refugees from Salona at that time came to live inside of the Diocletian Palace and around it, so that is why and how Split actually developed. Diocletian built the palace, and apparently his birthplace was in here in this town in Salona, Solin. This town is beautiful, especially for families, kids. You have a lot of birds and ducks in the center. There's a river Jadro, and also you have some waterfalls, so it's a beautiful place. And today I'm gonna take you through Salona, the biggest archaeological park, as I said, and as well through the city center of Solin. This city is actually where I come from, so I'm very happy to take you through here and show you what else you can see in this beautiful, cute town, which is just like 4 or 5 kilometers from Split. Enjoy! And make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, put this ring bell so you always have the notification, as I said. And thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Ciao!